Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Be Optimistic IELTS. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm here with the 16th July, means 2 days exams afternoon sessions review with explanation. And in my previous video I provided you sample answer for the what would you like to change in the place where you live. If you haven't watched that video, then you can get the link in description box. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get immediate notification regarding my videos upload. And must press the like button if you learn something useful, and don't forget to share my videos with your friends as well. So let's dive into today's video section without wasting your precious time right now. So guys, as per the prior guidelines by IDP, in the exams there were only 30 students, and they have taken care of social distancing. There were just 4 rows and 4 invigilators. In the exam, let's start with the listening. In the listening was easy, and the surprising thing is that the listening was with example which was deducted before some time, but this time listening came with an example and even the reference numbers, right? And it was really easy. in the first in the first section there were just one word blanks, and from 1 to 10 questions there were blanks only, and 11 to 16 was map, and 7 to 20 MCQs, in which we have to choose the two options, right? Means 70-18 together and 19-20 also together. Then 21 to 26 again MCQs. Instead of 27 to 30 was like we have to fit the words out of the given, like there were 5 words out of which 4 would be fitted and the given blanks, right? And 31 to 40 again one word blanks. Overall listening was quite easy. So guys, let's move toward reading. That was moderate to difficult because there were a few blanks. Section 1 was moderate. There were true false and blanks and the diagram completion. In 1 to 13 questions, these 3 type of questions were there. And section 2 was difficult, as I came to know from the source that it was quite difficult rather than other paragraphs. And firstly there were MCQs where 2 options should be selected. All 13 questions there were MCQs only, and the section 3 was moderate, in which firstly information should be matched with the paragraphs. The question were based on this, like headings. In second there were one word questions. There were only 4 one word questions, and lastly there were another match the information that we have to match with the name of the authors, right? So this was the structure of the 2 days reading test. So due to this we can consider it as a moderate to difficult. As you can see, there were only few blanks and the one word questions, and mostly there were MCQs and matchings, right? So guys, let's move toward writing modules review. Overall it was moderate. In the task 1 was quite simple. That was a map, and in the map there was a construction of a site shown, right? And the task 2 was discuss both views essay, but its statement was a bit tricky. The statement was some people believe that youngsters should be free to select the jobs which they want to do in the future. However, others think the youngsters should be more realistic in order to select the jobs and think about the future. Discuss both views and give your opinion, right? As per the first statement, the first group is in favor that youngsters should be free to choose the job. Like there shouldn't be any kind of restriction or any kind of pressure on them. Like they should be allowed to do the jobs as per their interest, right? And according to the second group, youngsters should be more realistic. Realistic means kind of like they should choose something practical. They should choose some practical jobs and think about the future. right? Practical jobs, like in which they have some unique skills rather than in comparison with others, as the artists have. So we have to discuss both the views and give our clear opinion in this essay. So guys, let's have a look at the explanation that what we can write, what you can write in this statement, right? In body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2, in introduction, you just need to rephrase the main statement and give your clear opinion that whether you are in favor of first view or in the later view, right? The body paragraph 1, which was based on that the youngsters should be free to choose the jobs. Idea 1 can be inner satisfaction, as we all know that when any person choose anything without having anyone's pressure or anyone's recommendation, then it leads them towards the inner satisfaction, right? Therefore, as a result, they can lead a jubilant lifestyle, because in satisfaction or contentment always lead toward the happy life. Jubilant means happy. And the idea too can be choosing jobs by own choice also lead to productive result. Means if the person is doing something willingly, then obviously they will pay more attention and try to give the best. As a result, it is also beneficial to flourish a workplace. Flourish means prosperity. It also lead to the prosperity of the company or workplace where they are working, right? So let's have a look at the second body paragraph, that which ideas can be included over here, as this was based on realistic, that this youngster should be more realistic. Realistic means they should choose some practical jobs, right? As I've told you earlier, like such as artist, they have unique talents or these kind of things, right? Practical, these are practical jobs. And so in this idea, one can be like high wages, because practical jobs always offer the high wages, as we know that these are unique from the normal or ordinary jobs. That's why they obtain high salaries. Wages means salary. And therefore people can lead luxurious lifestyle. They can purchase anything, any this thing that they require, such as a house, a car, these kind of things, right? Or idea two can be long term jobs. Practical jobs offer like stability, right? Because stability, because if a person have a unique talent, then obviously there would be more chances of him or her to be stable in that field. Therefore, it secures the future of the youngsters, right? So, and at the in the conclusion, we just have to again the rephrase the main ideas and reiterate our opinion. So this was these ideas can be included in this essay. I hope these are understandable to you. So that's all about today's exam, and all the best to the 18th July exam appearers and aspirants. So guys, that's all for today's video session and exam review. As you all know, this was the first exam after the lockdown. So it was a structure that was seen in today's exam. Overall, it was a moderate exam, and now it has been assured that next exams will be conducted. So practice hard and keep watching my videos. And if you face any difficulty in any of the module, or you want the sample answer of any of the cue card, then you can let me know by typing in the comment box or by dropping a mail to my Gmail account. I will definitely respond to your queries and try to solve them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care. Be optimistic.